I'm Rob McBride from Shropshire, North Shropshire, and today I'm at Devil's Pulpit, looking at this magnificent beast. So I've been walking Offa's Dyke now for 12 and a half years. I've got about 8 miles to go, I think, doing the first ever ancient tree survey of Offa's Dyke. So you've got a notable tree, you've got a veteran tree and an ancient tree. So an ancient tree, it's quite a good example of an ancient tree there. A veteran tree, greyed down, it's a tree that's got really good habitat value, but it's not reached that more mature stage. And a notable tree might be something like one of the beech trees along here, notable stroke heritage, so it might be recorded because somebody touched it, king or queen so-and-so sat under it at a picnic. It's varied. You start down in the Bristol Channel if you're going south to north, and you start in the Irish Sea at Prestatyn going north to south. So you've got the sea, and then a day from Knighton to Montgomery is a tough day. You're up and down, up and down, up and down. And if you do it over time, you've got the changing of the seasons, and you've got little villages and hamlets, and it's remote as well. I'm a bit biased perhaps, but Offa's Dyke Path I think is the best walk in the UK.